If you love coding, you know the thrill of solving complex problems and creating something from nothing. The satisfaction of seeing your code come to life is unparalleled. But let's be honest, the grind can be exhausting. Long hours, debugging, and constant learning can take a toll on even the most passionate developers. If you find yourself feeling burnt out, stick around. LaunchFast is here to make your life easier. We understand the challenges you face and are committed to providing solutions that streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Let's get started. First off, apologies for the radio silence. We've been hard at work behind the scenes, experimenting with new features and improvements. Your feedback has been invaluable, and it's brought us back to sharing regular updates with you. I've been experimenting with various tools and techniques, but your feedback brought me back to sharing regular updates. It's clear that staying connected with our community is crucial, and we appreciate your patience. So here's today's lineup. We've made significant improvements to our landing page. It's now cleaner, more user-friendly, and designed to provide a better experience for both new and returning users. Improved our landing page. It's cleaner and more user-friendly. We've streamlined the navigation, enhanced the visual design, and made it easier to find the information you need. But there's still room for improvement, especially in our documentation to help new users. We know that clear and comprehensive documentation is essential for onboarding new users and helping them get the most out of our platform. Next, let's talk about Microsoft Clarity. This free tool is a game changer. Microsoft Clarity provides powerful insights into user behavior, allowing you to see how visitors interact with your website. It's an invaluable resource for optimizing your landing page and improving user experience. It anonymizes user data, complies with GDPR, and gives you heat maps to optimize your landing page. With Clarity, you can identify areas where users are getting stuck, understand what content is most engaging, and make data-driven decisions to enhance your site. Huge win without breaking the bank. The best part is that Microsoft Clarity is completely free, making it accessible to developers and businesses of all sizes. It's a fantastic tool that can help you achieve your goals without straining your budget. Exciting news! We partnered with Jim from Key Mentions. This partnership opens up new opportunities for collaboration and growth. Key Mentions is a leading marketing SaaS company, and we're thrilled to have them on board as an affiliate. Their marketing SaaS is shaping up, and they're now an affiliate. This means that we can offer you even more value through their innovative marketing solutions. If you're looking to boost your marketing efforts, Key Mentions is a great resource. If you or someone you know wants to join, hit up the link in the description. We're always looking for new affiliates to join our network. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn commissions while helping others discover the benefits of LaunchFast. We offer a 50% commission onto subscription payments. Our affiliate program is designed to be rewarding and straightforward. With a generous 50% commission, you can earn significant income by promoting our platform. Integration is almost done. We're excited to announce that we're in the final stages of integrating subscription payments. This will make it easier for you to manage your subscriptions and ensure a seamless experience. Just plug in your Stripe secret key and you're good to go. The integration process is simple and straightforward. Once you've entered your Stripe secret key, you'll be able to start accepting payments immediately. Can't wait to hear your feedback. Lastly, community matters. We believe that building a strong community is essential for our success. Your feedback and support are what drive us to keep improving and innovating. I met amazing makers like Janu, Miguel, and Bernardo. These talented individuals have been instrumental in shaping our community and providing valuable insights. We're grateful for their contributions and excited to see what we can achieve together. We're planning Hackathon Lisbon for November's end. It's going to be epic. This event will bring together developers, designers, and tech enthusiasts for a weekend of innovation and collaboration. We can't wait to see the amazing projects that come out of it. Iterate, improve, and grow. That's our roadmap. Our goal is to continuously iterate on our platform, improve our features, and grow our community. We believe that by staying agile and responsive to your needs, we can create a product that truly makes a difference. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more updates with you in the future. Your feedback is always welcome, so don't hesitate to reach out. Have a fantastic weekend and see you tomorrow. We hope you have a wonderful weekend filled with relaxation and fun. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and we'll see you tomorrow with more news and insights. Thank you for being a part of the LaunchFast community.